that fish. Oh, that's a little one.
Oh.
He's giving up. Look at that thing.
Gavin, you got 2 fish.
No, don't.
Yes, you do. You got 2, dude. You got 2 of them.
Gavin! Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
How did you get 2, buddy? Oh my gosh.
Bring 'em up.
Hard.
Fish on.
Oh my gosh.
Fish on.
Gav.
This is a
Good job.
first time I caught 2. Dad, don't stab it in the eye. I can't believe I just got 2.
How you get 2?
I don't know.
Yeah, they're baby. They got food in the bag.
Yeah.